Hey everyone, I just want to create this video real quick to demonstrate how we painted an old suncast box. So this is how it looks. We got this used cheap, I think $10 each or something like that. And we painted it using some Rust oleum paints. How much are they each? They're like $4 or $5 each. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video where you can buy this Rust oleum universal satin paint and primer in one for all kinds of material. This is espresso brown. And yeah, so we bought what, 4 of these? 5 of these, and it takes about a can and a half for each one of this. 2 cans if you want to do the back. I actually did not do the back. Nobody's gonna see the back, so that's what it looks like. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. I also did not do the inside, so the inside looks still that ugly color, but on the outside it looks beautiful. All right, so this is what it looks like before and after. Okay, let me take a zoom out view before and after. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you want try to decide if you want to buy a suncast, yeah, these things last forever. Oh, by the way, do not buy cheap Walmart crap. Buy suncast brand, even if it's used. That's the reason why we did this, is because we have other suncast boxes that last 20-30 years. This is probably about 20 years old, and it's been sitting in the sun, and look at it, it's just fine. So we just painted it and it looks brand new. Anyway, sorry, I forgot to tell you about that tip at the beginning of the video. But yeah, this is about buying cheap outdoor boxes at garage sales or used items and painting it to make them look like they're brand new. All right, thank you for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.